scriptures. It's an amazing verse in 1 John chapter 3. So in 1 John chapter 3, starting in verse 1, it says, how great is the love of the Father. How great is the love of the Father that He's lavished, or that He has poured out on us, that we get to be called the children of God. And as you look around you, in fact, let's turn up the lights and let everybody see each other if they can, as much as we can. Everybody look around you. Y'all say hello. There's a lot of people here tonight, a lot of people with different titles. Maybe your title is like a business title, like a COO of a company or president of a bank or whatever. Maybe your title is mom or dad. Maybe your title is friend. I don't know. There's different titles by different people represented here tonight. But I can think of no greater title than for each and every single one of us to be called a child of God. In fact, I want you to know this. I want us to speak it into people's lives, and I want us to receive it. So everybody look around you, to your left, to your right. I want you to look your neighbor in the eye and you say, you are a child of God. Proclaim that to him. Come on. You are a child of God. I know some of you here tonight don't feel like a child of God. Sometimes we look at our own lives and we look at our sin, we look where we mess up, and we think, man, how can God love me? How can God call me His child? But we don't get that title because of what we've done. Well, whether it's good or bad, we get that title because of what Jesus has done for us. The amazing grace that He offers us. Yes, it's true that all have sinned and fallen short of the glory of God. But we've also been offered this free gift of God, this grace, this mercy, this life that He has for us. So tonight we're going to sing by faith. Even if you don't feel like it, we're going to sing by faith and in hope that these words are true. That we are the saints, we are the children, we've been redeemed, we've been forgiven, we are the sons and the daughters of our God. Can I get an amen, church? If you sit down, stand up with us. See, we are the saints, we are the children. Are you ready? Here we go. We are the saints, we are the children.